Jump, 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 jump. Take what I can get. The best is hard to get, and everybody wants to. Ooh. She wore a sweater in summer weather, yeah. She wore a sweater in the summer weather. And now it's Jeff with me. I just want you to be my next mistake that I'm gonna make. She wore a sweater in summer weather, yeah. She wore a sweater, it was jump. Truth, be paranoid too. If everyone you knew was out to get you. People treat me like I'm an asshole, but I don't text when I drive low. Can't say the ball wrong though, cause there's 3 straws on the down low. I learned to live with these eyes, and my closet hands, and my pockets warm but surrounded. And reading I'm done, and I haven't such a days to lose counting, yeah. Cheers! What? Can't be paranoid too. Everyone you knew was dancing that you said. Can't be paranoid too. Everyone you knew was dancing that you Cause I know what I wanted all the time. Yeah, I'm a little bit, I'm a little bit strong. I might turn around and say some stupid shit, but I haven't really known it and I call it. Can't be paranoid too. Cause everyone we knew was out to get you. Can't be paranoid too. Cause everyone we knew was out to get you. So, at the time, I didn't know exactly what it was. It was a very quick thing. It was like last July or August, and we got the offer, and I was looking at it on my phone. We were out doing some in-stores, like some acoustic shit, and I was just like thinking of Netflix show. I was like, fuck yeah, that sounds tight. I would love to do that. DocuSign, send, out of sight, out of mind, great. But about a month ago, this show called Heartstopper came out. So you got them to thank for this next one. Put your fucking hands up. This song's called Telephone. Balcony 2, baby, you're not excluded. I'd like to know your middle name. Let's talk about your parents and the future dreams. Cause I'm interested in the distant to afar. And I never want to complicate your heart. I've gotta let you know. You can be my only one. Cause I think I love you so much. Now the only test is who I feel invested. Do you feel too? Do you feel too? I can be your best friend. You should think of me that. Do you feel too? Do you feel too? From my telephone, all of the above when I'm alone. I took a lot so we could fill your face with pictures of this is your sharing. You're laying on a target and you're showing. I'm now lost with some control. I keep thinking and thinking that I lost it all inside. Feel like my own. Will you go home? Back. Now the only test is what I feel invested. Do you feel too? Do you feel too? I can be your best friend. There's a better feeling. Do you feel too? From my telephone, all of the above when I'm alone. I've gotta let you go, and I love you so. You can be my own clone. Yeah, I gotta let you know. So I'll just stop my telephone, all of the above when I'm alone. There's a lot of y'all in here that have never even had the chance to see us before, right? We're gonna throw it back a little bit. Not too far, but back enough, buddy. This song's called Gloom Boys. Let's go! Sing it. It's kind of a stop. The only time around is when it's just gonna stay and turn out the lights. I'm afraid I messed up and I'm not quite my blisters. Because birthdays and Christmas are not the time I wish this. Oh, words, right? You know what you waiting for what you wait. I was looking at the same whole dream again, but I'm not good by having me. 'Cause all my years I love you so much, but it's up to me. Not to when my heart is shut from you. My heart is shut from you. I wrote down a song you could give and help in songs, but my kiss on my grace is your heart. Oh, it's
I like when they're like send them back. Yo, do this first, come on. You're not worth my color, but just like your mother. Today I'm be here, I got you agree. What happened? She said, what's up? I think it's time to let you walk you up and I got you all and watch me up for the beat. Watch you up, so I'm talking off, let's go to the secrets. Put that shit up. Never promise you a dream or a better relationship. Yeah. So how do you give you what you think? Thank you so fucking much, man. At a different time. Are you ready? Otto, I think I need your help. Will you do the stick clicks just to keep us in line? All right, you know... What? Happy birthday, Austin! Look at that shit, man! I'm gonna spread my wings, sweet 16. Okay, so, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That was a good save. That was really good. That was really good. Now, Otto, take out both your ears. It's the last show. It's the last one. Y'all gotta do this shit one more time for Otto, but much fucking louder. Can you do it? Can you do it louder than everywhere in the UK did it? Can you do it louder than everybody in Europe has done it? Alright, do that shit. 1, 2, 3, 4! This song's called Mr. Exciting More! Y'all better sing this shit loud as hell, man. Last show, come on! I'm sick of all this, how'd you get your band names? That you read your first name. Can you text it, can you follow back? Cause it's my birthday. No one cares what I want, just what I've got. And if we sit and count it up, it's really not a lot. So when you gotta sing for me, when you gotta drink for me, I don't know. So when you gotta sing for me, gonna take a thing for me, it's true. No, jump! I miss having sex, but at least I don't wanna go anymore. And I think it's pretty cool. I miss seeing the red on your face when I think you much. But I think it's fine, it's cool. But I think it's fine, it's cool. Pushing away these girls that maybe really like me, cutting people off because I don't trust exciting. But what the fuck have I done? I'm not even an icon. I still get methods off, and so the meaning's first up. When you gonna sing for me? When you gonna drink for me? I don't know. So when you gonna sing for me? Gonna be completely true. Jump. I'm just having sex, but at least I don't wanna go anymore. And I think it's pretty cool. I'm missing the red on your face when I think you much. But I think it's fine, it's cool. I'm just having sex, but at least I don't wanna die anymore. And I think it's pretty cool. I'm missing the red on your face when I think you much. But I think it's fine, it's cool. But I think it's fine, it's cool. Amsterdam, are y'all gonna sing this shit? 1, 2, da. I got some fruit by the Today is gonna be the day. Is that right? Is that Baby Shark? Circle pit, circle pit. I said circle pit. Make a fucking circle. Make a fucking circle. Now move the fuck apart. We're making a fucking circle. For Baby Shark, let's go. Sing it louder, I want to learn it. That's really good. Just like this, come on. Sing. Yeah. I drink colors, back colors, but it's really how I'm feeling. I guess at least my work is working, but I think people like me better when I'm having some. They say it's not true, everything alright, but the eyes really roll with the first time. Like cold shirts, I like cold things, I want a big house, but I'm hiding. Thinking halfway there, but my heart feels awesome. What's the point of being right now? If you need me now, I'll be there tomorrow. I'll pick you up the weekend ride. You! Probably right in my apartment, I lived in the port last year. Yeah, check colors, sound dollars, but it's every minute. So be a really honest, and I never like to say that. And I haven't had a day, it's just my leader and my combat. All the times I've been touching all my hands more. This is saying that I'm a leader, so they don't worry every day. I like cool shirts, I like cold rings, I want a great house, but I'm hiding. I want a brain happens to hate me. Alright! Amsterdam, I want to do that one more time because this is the last group chat of this entire tour. I want the loudest one this whole fucking thing. Can you do that? Last one. That's so sick. I love that.
Pick this shit up, let's go! How can I? Wow, sometimes what? Oh, if I like that, then we can go so high in my expectations. Motherfucker, I'm good today, so very ready. Saying what? Shut up! Say what they like me when I'm low. Now that I don't know what, all I know is that this isn't fun. Come on, let's grab myself fun. Come on, I'm coming right now. Yeah, but no, I don't know what, all I know is that this isn't love. Fuck yeah, man! I've been and I go like old times, so I'll say the fuck with you. You're my boy. You can look guys down to the drugs I make, 'cause you can't do it. You call me, but motherfucker, mother, get a day back. You ready to die anyway, either way, man, the conversation's wrong. You only like me when I'm low. Never know, I don't know what. All I know is that this isn't fun. Come on, I'll wrap myself up. Come on, I'm coming undone. Never know, I don't know what. All I know is that this isn't fun. You only like me when I'm Adrian, make some fucking noise! Thank you. Let's talk about turbulence. Let's go. You guys are up. Well, so fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. Believe it or not, you and me strong. So fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. Believe it or not, you and me strong. Jump! You sing this shit, come on! I know you are, let's see where to start.
I love the messages that you send. You know I got your number, and I don't fucking answer. Anxiety is turbulent, permanent.
You gave me hell on earth and said, so fuck yourself and fuck your feelings. What?
Believe it or not, you and me so.
So fuck yourself and fuck your feelings.
Believe it or not, you and me.
Jump, jump, jump!
Complacent, and maternity based itself up in the back of your mind.